Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Sayyid Abid Hussaini from your favorite channel HB Solution for Professional and Personal Development. Today is the topic which we are going to conclude, that is self discipline. The last episode related to self discipline is action. The importance of action in our life. You see, no matter what I said to you in our previous videos, I talk about sacrifice, I talk about focus, commitment, faith, integrity, and so on and so forth. And you might not believe it because this is so natural. The only thing you will bring change in your habits, in your personality, once you will follow the essence and actions which are related to all of these segments. So those actions, we call it pendulum effect, the principle of pendulum. When things go and come back, go and come back, you do it as the pendulum does. You do good things one after the other without waiting for the benefit, without waiting for the quick benefit, because benefit you will reap in the long term. That is what is the whole concept of the self discipline. So, why in our life most of us are not able to do those action, they are not able to achieve those action? What are the reasons, in fact? Well, I studied this uh, thoroughly, and I realized that in fact there are three particular kind of mindsets which normally people are having, and because of them they are not able to do those actions which are really supposed to be done. What are those three infamous mindset? The one is the state of scaredness, fear of facing the failure. And this is the first mindset which every one of us facing. The number two is entitlement, and which is an attitude that why should I do it? I'm not supposed to do this. This is the second mindset. The third one is perfectionism, when we think that we will do only if we will do it perfect, and that is what leads us for being inactive. Kind of silly excuses we create because of these three different mindset. So in order to understand that how can we achieve the benefits of self discipline, let's go into detail and see that what kind of mindsets are these. Are these mindsets really we find around us? Can we really do something to avoid it? Yes. So let's go into the detail. The first one is the fear of failure. Why all of us succumbed at times whenever there is a daunting task ahead of us? The reason being, it is easy and easy to do this. The payoff feeling fear is that you don't have to do it, you don't have to work for it, and you don't have to face the challenge. Instead, you are comfortable. Let's ignore it. Let's not do this. In contrast, the self discipline demolishes the fear of failure. It reminds us to take action, action, and action. So remember, if you really want to achieve a certain extent of self discipline, you have to be man of action. So this is what is the first mindset which is very much around us and which we need to avoid. The second one is entitlement. This is another very common in today's life in our society. And everybody is trying that, why should I do it? The other person, somebody else, is supposed to do for me. We need easy of life, we need facilities, we need something to be done, but by others. Why they are not doing it for me? Why they are not helping me? Why they are not providing me with the information? why, and so on and so forth. I'm not supposed to do it. Everything we are either putting it on the governments or we are putting it for other party. We are not accepting the reality, and that is kind of ingrained in our minds, that we have developed this attitude, that always thinking, though it is for our own benefit, but we think that, is it really we are supposed to do? Why should I do? Why not others are doing? So this is what is the very detrimental mindset. We need to understand that what I'm telling you is that I'm not against your easy life. I really sure do, and I'm explaining and I'm doing all these videos just for your easiness and just for your betterment. But I want you to get that easy life and benefits of life after putting that essential and honest efforts. First you need to put effort, then you deserve, and then you will have it. And there is a saying in English that first deserve, then desire. But nowadays I notice that every other person is looking for the facilities and benefits and entitlements without doing his or her part. So this is what is a very common mindset. The third and a very dangerous kind of mindset is the perfectionism. Many of us think that if they will do it only when they will do it right, when they will do it perfectly. And that is the way they are trying to avoid something which is essential for you, but you are just simply avoiding, because you know at least that if you will do it, you will be successful. But you will be successful only after doing the hard work. So why should you do this hard work? So you, instead of taking a lead, doing that hard step, you simply say that I will do once the right time will come. I will do it once the right situation will be around, or when the right circumstances will be there. And but believe you me, the favorite and suitable circumstances never ever turn up. And what happens is that you remain inactive and you miss the opportunity. So this is the third mindset which always create hurdle in achieving the self-discipline. So my dear, in last video related to self-discipline, I just want to explain to you that the truth and bitter truth is the the life which we are facing, the challenges which we are facing, in fact, it is not for the shortage of skills. In fact, it is shortage of will. The situation which we are facing, undesirable, it is not because of the lack of time management, but in fact, there is a call for self management. If we really want to progress and we really want to achieve success in our life, please remember that whatever is the situation, it is not because of the poor circumstances, but in fact, it is because of the lack of self discipline. The discipline creates freedom, the freedom to achieve success. So, this is 2 cents from me on self discipline. I would request all my viewers to follow my earlier videos, the videos which is self discipline part 1 related to sacrifice, part 2 for commitment, part 3 for schedule, part 4 for faith, part 5 for integrity, and so on and so forth. And try to follow. And the last one, don't forget that what it calls is the action. Remember, the successful people are also having the thinking about same as you and me. But what they do is they plunge into the task, in the endeavor. They don't think that whether they will be successful or not. They don't think whether they are entitled for it or not. Whether they will achieve it or not, without waiting to ensure about the success, they start doing it. So the successful people's approach is simple. They move, they go, they act, and they achieve. And believe you me, sometimes imperfection brings the success. We are only waiting for the suitable time. We are only waiting for the desirable and conducive environment, and many a times we miss the opportunities. So my message in the end is that always, for your own targets, don't fear, plunge into the task, and don't wait. Don't think that whether it is related to you or not. As long as the task is taking to your desirable goal, do it. Do it, maybe do it for others. So it will be, come good for you. And the third one is that don't wait things to improve. This is the time to do it perfectly. So with this hope, I'm just trying to sign off from this video, with the request that after this I need your feedback, that what kind of video you would like to see, because as I mentioned, HB solution is there for the professional and self development. I have got many topics in my mind to share with you on personal fronts and professional. When it comes on professional, I can talk to you about insurance management, claims management, risk management, enterprise risk management, information security, and business continuity, which is the hottest topic, cyber security. I have got many topics related to professional fronts, and there are a lot of topics on professional fronts as well as for personal fronts. For example, communication skills, negotiation skills, leadership skills. how to improve upon your communication skills. I would like to listen from you that what you want to uh, listen and what you want to see from me in the coming videos. So please uh, do subscribe our favorite channel HB Solutions for professional and personal development. Please like and hit the icon button, and please put in comments that which topic you want me to start and which can be beneficial for you. With this, please let me sign off. This is your favorite channel HB Solution from Sayyid Abid Hussaini. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.